Welcome everyone to the intro of Clean and Fit, a 5-day celebration using natural cleaning to celebrate our connection with the earth. At the same time, we're using the fact that cleaning is a physical work to get fit. My name is Ming, the founder and the cleaner of my cleaning company, Soda and Soap. These 5 days will be a unique experience for you. Each day we will start with a short warm-up. Our body is the only reason that we can do cleaning, and it is also the only reason why we need to clean, right? If you lose this physical body, there's no need to clean. After the warm-up, we will do a general cleaning flow together. There are 5 spaces for 5 days: kitchen, lounge or dining room, bathroom, bedroom, and finally, a space of your own choice. I will use my voice to guide you, and the video becomes supplementary. So it is a real follow-along cleaning. And I understand that your house will look different from mine. So in the flow, there are sections where you can pause, repeat, or just skip as you need. Day 1 will be uploaded on the 22nd of April, the International Earth Day. If you want to do something special this year, join the party. Pets and children are welcome too. Since it is a cleaning, you will need your cleaning caddy ready. So these are the essentials: an all-purpose spray, an acidic cleaner, plenty of wipes, and tools for the floor cleaning. I have shared the recipes for the all-purpose spray and the acidic cleaner, so you can watch the videos that I posted before. I have a link down below. If you cannot make soap nut extract for any reason, just use vinegar or citric acid. You will still see the result. And then these are the handy tools that is good to have, but if you don't have, it is okay. Most of the time, wipes and our hands can do the job. So a duster for the ceiling, or you can just grab a chair. A little brush for the creases. A soft scrubber. Mine is loofah pads from Taiwan. Thank you, Mom. Love you. These are great. Copper scrubber. This is for the stubborn stains, but if you don't have, simply soak the stain for longer. And squeegee for shower panels or bathtub, mirrors, windows. But if you don't have, it's okay as well. You probably have most of the tools at home already. So what you need to do is to organize them in a way that you can carry them easily during the cleaning. This is my setup. I have a big top truck for all my clean rags. And then I put a bowl inside it like this. For the dirty rags that I use, I just put them in. And then on top, I put the caddy. They fit perfectly, and I can just carry it like that. And the big tools, I'll just carry them separately. If you haven't been cleaning for a while, then add a teaspoon of washing soda into your soap spray to make the soda and soap spray. This way you will see a better result. And also, if you need to buy more wipes, please don't buy the microfiber towels. I know they are very popular now because they are very effective, but they release microplastic into our water system. So let's just avoid that. I will give you tips to avoid the fluff while you're wiping glass. So don't worry about that, okay? All right, now let's do a short warm-up to have a taste of how these 5 days will feel like. Are you ready? All right. Whether you're standing or sitting, everybody, have your spine straight, head over heart, heart over the pelvis, and soft gaze, or close your eyes gently. Now take a deep breath in through the nose. And out through the mouth. Again, deep breath in through the nose. And let it go through the mouth. One last time, in through the nose. And out through the mouth, sigh it out. Alright. Now gently open your eyes. Let's rub your palms together to generate some heat. At the same time, maybe give it some loving energy. You can think about the most beautiful things you've ever seen. Maybe it's the ocean, maybe it's a tree, maybe it's a person, your baby, anything, happy memory, give it into your hand. When it's warm enough, let's put this beautiful energy onto our ears. Give it a massage. Give it a massage your earlobes, the outside of your ears. Then from your ears, let's go up to the temples. If you feel yawning or sighing, just do so. It's a time to take care of yourself. And then from your temple, go on to the back of your ear. Massage there. And then go down to the back of your neck. And massage the back of your neck. And maybe shoulders as well. They're a bit tight. Chances are they are tight. Alright. Maybe cleaning has always been hard for you, but maybe this time, with some support, things can be different. Okay, everybody, one last deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through the mouth. With your fingers. Okay, there are 5 days to go until the Earth Day. I hope to see you in the celebration. Take good care. Bye.